Keto Thai food can be hard to come by, which is why we're teaching you how to make a keto chicken pad Thai. I'm Allie, the founder of Haven's Kitchen, and I'm so excited to be walking you through this super delicious 10-minute, super easy recipe for a keto pad Thai. I think one of my favorite parts of this recipe is that it just comes together super quickly, mostly with leftovers. So I love having rotisserie chickens in my fridge. I think they're just like the secret to life in a lot of ways. And sometimes I eat, part of the chicken, sometimes my family eats it, but usually there's a little leftover. I just save the leftover chicken and I throw it in like with the noodles and the zoodles for a really quick, easy bounce of protein. For this recipe, the star of the show are these zucchini noodles. They're otherwise known as zoodles. If you don't have a zoodle maker, that's totally fine. Usually you can find pre-made zoodles in like the produce section of your grocery store. We're also going to be adding in, just for a little bit of different texture, some rice noodles. We're going to be adding in some protein with our rotisserie chicken that we've just shredded up. If you want to, you can add tofu, you can add in some cooked chicken, you can even add shrimp, or you could just leave it veggie. The star of the show is going to be our coconut cashew sauce. This is loaded with coconut milk and cashews, makrut lime, lemongrass, ginger, all of those really delicious Thai flavors. And for a little bit of heat, we're gonna add in some sambal olek. It's essentially like a chili paste that's like ground up. It's a little bit spicier and a little bit heftier than sriracha, but it's also made with no added sugar. So it's kind of like a condiment, kind of like a cooking ingredient, goes really well with our coconut cashew sauce. We're gonna add in a little bit of shredded carrots, a little bit of basil, some scallions, and some toasted peanuts on top, and finish the whole thing off with a squeeze of lime. Okay, so we have a nice hot pan, and we're just gonna get the zoodles starting to sizzle. Shredded carrots. And we're basically done. Garnish it with our scallions, a little bit of the basil torn, and then I love adding just toasted peanuts on top because I love toasted peanuts, but I just also love that every bite is like a little different. And don't forget a little bit of lime juice at the end. That acid just brings out all of the other flavors and it goes so well with the sauce and the herbs and the scallions. Yeah. I'm Allie. Thank you so much for cooking with us and see you next time.